Hi everyone, this is part 3 of our custom order episode. We are continuing to the skirt part. First of all, I'll be tracing the dots for the skirt. Next up, I'm adding the seam allowance for the bottom and cutting out the pattern. Here I'm cutting the notches.
So this is my pocket piece. I decided that I want to extend this line.
This is me cutting out the pocket piece and also adding seam allowance to the entrance of the pocket. Here I'm pinning the pocket facing.
So this is the flat bottom for the skirt. Cut the waistband, the flat piece for the bottom.
So these are the two front pieces of the skirt where I'll be attaching the pockets there. These are the pocket pieces with the interfacing attached. I'll be understitching them and they'll sit like this. Here I already went ahead and pinned the pocket pieces to the front of the skirt and I'll be sewing right there. Next up, I'm joining the front piece to the back pieces of the skirt. As you can see, now the skirt is one long piece with the pockets attached. It's now a long rectangle. These are the flat pieces for the bottom that I will be joining up together as one with the side seam. Next I sewed the lining piece, as you can see. Next up, I attached the lining to the top of the skirt piece.
So I've just attached and pinned in the zipper. I'm gonna go and sew all around the pins. Here I've just pinned in the lining so that I finish the inside and that it looks neat on the outside.
This is how the lining looks after attaching it to the zipper. This will be the back of the skirt and this will be the front.
So I just went ahead to pin the waistband. I interfaced it and I just pinned it to the skirt. And now I'm gonna sew like right here. And then after that, iron it over to that side. Right now I'm about to do a stitch in the ditch right here, but before I do that, I'm gonna sew the corners on both sides before I turn it so that it lays flat.
And now for our singing segment. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now back to the sewing.
Be careful that you don't stab yourself and stab yourself. What I'm gonna do, I have pinned my waistband. Then right now I'm gonna top stitch it from here. Not top stitch, I mean stitching the stitch right on this line.
Now I'm closing up the lining. As you can see, I'm done lining up the hem of the skirt, and I will now attach it to the main piece. Lastly, I'll be joining the skirt pieces together and closing up the back. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. God bless and take care. Bye.